Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp. So let's get in. We're in WhatsApp now, and if you go to updates on the bottom of your screen, you will see that this is what it looks like. So this is now running horizontally, right? So what's going to happen is if you are following anybody, so let's say we're following WhatsApp and we're following some other pages over here or some other channels, you can see now that this is actually in the vertical style and not the horizontal style. Now, if you want to change this, you will unfortunately have to go into each one of these channels and unfollow that channel, and then you'll have to unfollow all of the channels that you currently follow, and you will slowly start to see, once everything is unfollowed, that if you want to have that view restored, you can see them all in a vertical style. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.